Backing up your Squarespace website is one of the smartest habits you can build. Whether you've spent months designing your site or you're just starting out, having a backup means you'll always have a safety net if something goes wrong. The good news is you can create one in just a few minutes. Let me show you how. First, log into your Squarespace account. Just head to the Squarespace website, click the login button, and sign in. The easiest way is to continue with Google if you already have those details saved in your browser. Once you're logged in, select the website you want to back up. If you manage multiple sites, you'll see them all listed here. So pick the one you need. Keeping your sites clearly named can make this step a lot easier. Now head down to the bottom left corner of your dashboard and click on your profile photo. This opens up the main settings menu for your website. In the settings, look for the three dots next to your website's name. Click those, and you'll see a drop-down menu. From here, select Duplicate Website. Squarespace will then show you a confirmation box. Just hit Duplicate, and your website will be copied instantly. This duplicate is essentially your backup. It contains all your content and settings as they are at that moment. Now, a quick note. This type of backup doesn't cover absolutely everything, like certain external integrations or custom code. So for full protection, you may also want to consider exporting your site data. But for most people, duplicating your site is a super effective, quick way to keep your content safe, and that's it. In just a few clicks, you've created a backup of your Squarespace site. Doing this regularly will give you peace of mind and protect all the hard work you've put into building your online presence. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy website tips. And if you've got questions about Squarespace, or if you want me to cover advanced backup methods, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy web building.